Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of line. You click on settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about line. Then here we click on first stop and you will click OK. You will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.